overhand, right hand's underhand. First thing you do is flip your right hand in as you turn left to overhand butterfly. Then flip your left hand out, and then you're in side opposite right on the left side as you're facing your audience. Then you're gonna turn away from your audience, still to the left, come into underhand butterfly on the back, so you can't see me now. Then you're gonna flip your left hand out, and you're back where you started. Now we're gonna reverse the turn and turn to the right. So you're gonna turn away from me, coming into underhand butterfly. No, sorry, yeah, turn into underhand butterfly. And then we're gonna flip the right hand out, so you're on the other side, and then flip the left hand in to overhand butterfly, and the right hand out back where you started. So let's do that again. 5, 6, 7, 8, turning left, right flips, turning left, left flips, turning left, right flips, turning left, left flips. So you're back on the left side. Now we're gonna turn to the right, and 5, 6, 7, 8, turn right, left flips, turn right, right flips, turn right, left flips, turn right, right flips. So you alternate the hand that flips each time. And let's try again. We're gonna turn to the left, 5, 6, 7, 8, right flips, left flips, right flips, left flips. That should be all the way around. Now we'll turn to the right, 5, 6, 7, 8, and left flips, right flips, left flips, right flips. Now turn left, right flips, left flips, right flips, left flips, turn right, left flips, right flips, left flips, right flips. Now, in the true spirit of a switchback, so to me a switchback is when you do, it's like a reversal only with your body, where you go 360 degrees one way, and then you switch back and you turn 360 the other way. So we want to try and connect these together immediately. So all 8 flips. You'll notice I'm doing a little bit of this linear extension with my hand where I'm moving them in bigger circles, which slows it down and gives you more time in the turn. And I think that helps you get your body around. I think it also helps when you start out, if you're in your T stance, because you're already a quarter of the way around the turn. Left is over, right is under, and 5, 6, 7, 8, right flip, left flip, right flip, left flip. Now turning right, left flip, right flip, left flip, right flip. We're back to where we started in theory. 5, 6, 7, and go. Right flip, left flip, right flip, left flip, turning right, left flip, right flip, left flip, right flip. And 5, 6, 7, go. Right flip, left flip, right flip, left flip, left flip, right flip, left flip, right flip. And 5, 6, 7, go. Right flip, left flip, right flip, left flip, left flip, right flip, left flip, right flip. 5, 6, 7, go. Right flip, left flip, right flip, left flip, left flip, right flip, left flip, right flip. 5, 6, 7, go. Right flip, left flip, right flip, left flip, left flip, right flip, left flip, right flip. And last time, 5, 6, 7, go. Right flip, left flip, right flip, left flip, left flip, right flip, left flip, right flip.